Let's make beetroot water chapati. This chapati, my kids couldn't even tell that I have put beetroot water inside. It was that good. So previously I have tried making a curry with beetroot. They didn't like it. But this one, they couldn't tell. So for this recipe, we need 4 cups of flour and little bit more than 2 cups of beetroot water. You can take regular chapati flour, and I have taken 1 beetroot and 2 cups of water to make the infusion of beetroot water. So you are going to add water gradually as much as you need them. As you can see, my dough is harder than the pizza dough. So now at the end, I'm just going to use 2 teaspoons of oil and then massage it again. So this dough could stay in the fridge if you are not going to use it on the same day. I usually let my dough stay in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days. So you can use as much as you want, but make sure you wrap it up in the cling wrap like this and at least rest it for 15 minutes. And I don't have time to rest it, so I'm just going to cook it in 5 minutes. My tawa is hot. I am using the beetroot dough and the dusting flour. I'm using ragi flour for dusting, but feel free to use white flour too. It does not matter at all. It's just the ragi flour is healthier. So now I'm taking half portion and massage it really well again. It has to be smooth dough, okay, whenever you make it. And now divide the dough into little balls, and now roll it up. Take the little dough and roll it up, dusting with the ragi flour, and roll it. It should be thin chapati, but if you cannot make it thin, feel free to make it thick too, but it should not be as thick as pizza dough. So now put the chapati on the high flame. Once it changes the color, you are going to flip it. So now it changed the color, flip. And when you see the bubbles, that's when you flip it one more time. But it takes 2 minutes, okay? Over here I did some editing and forwarded, that's why, but it takes 2 minutes. And now our chapati is fluffed up. So take it out in the pan. So usually what we do is, as soon as it's done, we just wrap it up in the paper towel, apply some ghee on the top. This way it stays soft, but here I'm serving is hot, that's why I'm not doing it. So you see the first side is done. Now I'm going to flip it. In the meantime, I'm going to apply some ghee on my chapatis. This way it's ready to go. So now first one is done, second one. Now you see the bubbles. Now we are going to flip it one more time. So this time it didn't puff up. That's okay, because I didn't rest my dough. That's why it's okay if it doesn't puff up. And now I'm just going to apply some ghee again. So that's how you make rest of them. And if you are not serving it hot, just wrap it up in the paper towel and in the airtight container, and it should stay well. So here I'm serving my chapati with fenugreek potato curry and some beetroot with chapati. So I hope my video was helpful to you. I hope I was able to teach you how to make chapati properly. So let me know if you have any questions and concerns about how to make chapati. Thanks for watching. Bye.